This chair workout is perfect for seniors who want to shrink belly fat and improve mobility in a safe and gentle way. These exercises are low impact, beginner-friendly, and designed to help activate the core, strengthen the body, and improve daily movement without putting pressure on the knees, hips, or lower back. Exercise 1. Seated knee lift. Seated knee lift is a perfect exercise that mainly targets your lower abs while also helping improve hip mobility. It's perfect for beginners and great for seniors who want to activate the core without stress on the joints. To perform it, sit tall on a sturdy chair with your chest lifted. Place your hands beside the chair for support. Lift one knee up toward your chest using your abs to control the movement. Lower it slowly and switch sides. Keep your core tight and avoid leaning back. Move with control and focus on smooth, clean movements. This exercise is excellent for strengthening the lower belly, improving hip mobility, and building core stability safely. Exercise 2. Seated marching. This is a simple but effective exercise that mainly targets your lower abs while improving coordination and circulation. Sit tall with your feet flat on the floor. Lift one foot up, then place it down and switch sides like a marching motion. Keep your chest lifted and your core engaged throughout the movement. Avoid rushing and focus on steady breathing. This exercise is great for beginners and helps improve mobility, balance, and gentle fat burning. Exercise 3. Seated air bike. Seated air bike is an excellent exercise that mainly targets your upper abs, lower abs, and obliques, giving your entire core a strong but gentle activation. Sit tall on the edge of the chair and lean back slightly. Lift your feet off the floor and begin pedaling your legs in the air like riding a bicycle. Keep your core tight and your chest lifted. Move with control and avoid swinging. This move is excellent for tightening the waistline, improving coordination, and strengthening the core without impact. Exercise 4. Seated side bend. This exercise mainly targets your obliques and helps improve spinal mobility and flexibility. Sit tall with your feet flat on the floor. Place one hand behind your head and the other hand resting on the chair. Gently bend your torso to the side while squeezing your oblique muscles, then return to center and switch sides. Keep your movement slow and controlled. Avoid forcing the stretch. This exercise is excellent for improving side flexibility, reducing stiffness, and helping shrink side belly fat safely. Exercise 5. Seated leg extension. Seated leg extension is one of the best exercises to activate the lower abs while also improving leg strength and knee mobility. Sit tall on the edge of the chair with your hands beside your hips for support. Extend one leg straight out in front of you and hold briefly. Lower it slowly and switch sides. Keep your core tight and avoid rounding your back. This move is excellent for strengthening the lower belly, improving mobility, and supporting everyday movement. Do this chair workout daily to help shrink belly fat, improve mobility, and strengthen your core in a gentle and safe way. This workout is perfect for seniors, beginners, and anyone looking for an effective low-impact routine that can be done at home using just a chair.